How to use Copilot in PowerPoint. Here are the steps to enable and use Microsoft 365 Copilot in PowerPoint. Prerequisites: have Microsoft 365 subscription with access to Copilot. Ensure Copilot is enabled for your use a supported browser, Edge, Chrome, or Firefox. To enable in PowerPoint, open a PowerPoint presentation. 2. Go to Insert Office Add-ins. 3. Search for Copilot. Click Add to enable it. Using Copilot, type /Copilot in the PowerPoint window or a slide to invoke Copilot. Ask for suggestions related to your presentation content, e.g. provide 3 agenda items for the slide. If Copilot suggests relevant content, press Tab to insert it into the slide. Review and edit the inserted content as needed. You can chat with Copilot throughout creating your presentation to get AI-generated suggestions. Make sure to provide sufficient context for the most useful recommendations. Enable Copilot integration in other Office apps like Word and Outlook in a similar way to take advantage of its capabilities across Microsoft 365.